The LLB Law and Criminology course is real-world focused. It is designed to give you the fundamentals of a law degree, and it will give you a qualifying law degree. You cover the core subjects with a criminal justice focus. The way in which you learn is really more career focused. You don't just learn about laws, how they're made, you learn about how we can change and influence policy. Students love that involvement because it's not just learning it verbatim, but it's that critical analysis where you feel like you can actually make a difference. The course is a fully recognised LLB qualification, which will enable you then, if you wish to go on, to become a solicitor or a barrister with the additionality of having criminal justice specific modules. It gives you a broad spectrum of governmental departments or policy-making departments that you could also work for. Students get to critique the law, not just understand it. They actually get to say on its flaws and areas of potential reform in future, and they feel that empowers them. The law is always changing, it's evolving. You can make your mark on it if you want to.